Hello everyone, what are you doing? I'm doing the one you doing this video about my first microphone what I use. This is first microphone what I used in my life in the 2011 or 12 years. This is mic. And today is 2018 years. This is most distance of time, I think. This is my first microphone what I use. This is nice, I think. This is genius on the $1 and this is nice, I think. In the old time you can listen maybe this when I keep a fragment if I say no, I don't have a fragment with this microphone. This is crushed here and I don't have to record this. But now I used the Yeti microphone. This is nice microphone. I think this is a good microphone in the world. But this is not good in the world, but this is nice microphone, I think, and this is good. And this video about my microphone and something and one moment, please. One moment. I have a camera, Elsa, Sony Xperia, Sony 7S. This camera, and I have microphone to this, but I have only cable. I lost my microphone, portative microphone to this, to keep this, and I want to say this and best sound, best voice I have. I lost yesterday. I lost when I record my video in the street in the Moscow. I lost this. This is bad, I think, but I don't feel, oh, I lost. I'm not crying, but I feel no good. But this is I stupid because I lost microphone with which cost cost 2,000 rubles. 2,000 rubles is a 60 euro. I lost microphone with 60 euro. This is $1. This is microphone with $300. This is $1, $300, and I lost microphone with $60 or euro. I'm stupid. I think this is not bad, but I sorry for this. I lost this microphone, and not this is bad situation, but don't need to feel bad. This is not bad to feeling, but I lost this, and that's all. This is that's all what I want to say. I lost microphone. I show you my first mic and my today mic, and I want to thumbnail. One moment. For the thumbnail, perfect thumbnail. That's click thumbs. And thank you for this. Thank you for this video. This is nice video, I think. And write on the comment what you think about it. What you lost yesterday, or maybe month ago, or maybe a week ago. Maybe you lost thing, and tell me your story about what you lost a few days or weeks ago. Right, please, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.